All right, guys, welcome back. As you can see, I have all my JBL stuff laid out here on the table. Looks like just the phone and my recording device. There we go. Now this is all JBL. We're also going to show you how this off-brand mic pairs up with my JBL Stage 320 Party Box, which this is my most recent purchase, most amazing thing. Got it on a Black Friday sale. Bought it alongside with the Party Box wireless mics, which I'll show you. They're super cool. They go hand in hand with this bad boy right here. And I have some nice rubber grips I got for them off Amazon. They feel amazing. You can get different color ones, and they're really cheap, about 12 bucks. And they have the little stand. But anyways, I just want to show you these JBLs and the different, how they are. We're going to start with the smallest guy. So right here, I have the JBL. I have them all paired with my phone, or they're connected. But anyways, JBL, this is the Go 3. I unfortunately don't have the Go 4. I don't know if they made a Go 5 yet. I think the latest is a Go 4. This is the JBL Clip 4. These both are JBL Flip 6. And what's cool about these little ones, you could literally have them all paired together wirelessly. I've done it, I think, with these four. I haven't tested with all this, but let's just look at the speaker quality. First, we're going to turn on this bad boy here. This is the Go 3. Okay. Make sure I'm still recording. All right, so we're going to do a little sound test right here. We're just gonna do. All right, I'm actually gonna go into just some of my little beats I was messing with. All right, so here's the test. Here's a beat I made. Not that great at it yet.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
Volume test. Volume max. That's not bad for this little thing. Look at it go. Really cool. Okay. Next up, we're going to move into the Clip 4. Turn this off. Yeah, I don't think you can actually pair this one with the other ones, but this is a nice little pocket guy right here. That's clear sound for what it was. All right, guys, now we're moving on to our next guy right here. And I don't think you can pair this one either, but these bigger ones you can. Okay.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
All right, watch the volume test. We're about halfway. Okay, let's crank her up. What's funny, this one got moving, and oh, it's because it has the grips. So if I turn it like this, doesn't really move around like this little guy. That might be a smidgen louder. I don't know the wattage compared to this guy, but I think these are about the same. This just has that fancy little clip. Okay. Now let's move into some of the bigger guns here. Whoops. All right. This should auto connect.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a...
Oh, this is wrong. Hold on, sorry guys. Whoop. We're gonna do that one last. All right. This is on. Connect. No, I don't want to set you up. Okay. So I guess you can make adjustments with these. Go like that. Cool, cool. Okay, low volume.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
And now we're gonna crank it. Definitely louder than both of these. I don't know about twice as loud, but very nice. Okay, so that's the same as this. And let's go ahead and put these. Let's get some stereo sound. So it has this. There it goes. Yeah, it's coming out of both, guys. See that? They're paired together. It's like a sound link. Sorry if you can't hear me. It's like a sound link. Okay, so that's actually a very decent speaker. You could pick those up for like 80 bucks on sale sometimes. I think they normally reach, you get them between 80 and 100 all the time. All right, let's move on in. So that was a JBL Flip 6. And now we're gonna move right into the next good guy. This is a lot louder. This has a 20-hour battery life, Bluetooth 5.1. I don't know the Bluetooth on these. I apologize. I want to say it's 5.1. These might be 5.0. It's a little older. I'd have to look into that. Anyways, here, let's turn this next guy on. Turn this off. This off. Okay, look at the volume.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
Full volume. All right, now let's do something fun. Let's sound link all of these. Hear that little ding ding? Okay, so those ones. There we go. Look at that, guys. See all these lit up lights? They're all should be paired. Oh, yes, sir.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
There we go. Pretty awesome. Well, having all three of these paired come kind of close to this bad boy, but I don't know about that. Maybe if we have all four of these sound linked. But anyways, let's test this out. This is the JBL. This is the Pulse 5. Bluetooth 5.3. I got me a cool little case for it. Look at this, off of Amazon. That looks super sweet. The colors on this, once you get into the ones with the colors that light up, it just adds a whole nother element to it, in my opinion. Right, so now we're going to turn these off. Okay, we're going to do the sound test here. This should be connected. Nope, for some reason that didn't connect. Do I have my Pulse 5 on here? I do wonder if it's this. Okay, so we'll just connect it real quick, no big deal. Sorry about that, guys. I should have already had it. Okay. There we go. We're connected. Sorry about the delay there. Connect. Yes. I guess we can make this a little more punchy or whatnot. Let's see what this offers. Oh, okay, cool. Look at that. So we got a bunch of different settings. There's a party light up right there. There's, call it spiritual. Let's loop colors. Perfect. They do nature, looping colors. There's the intensity of the lights. Boom, all the way. Tempo. Okay. That should do for me. Let's try it out. Gosh, I thought we already did this. Okay, we're done. Let's move on. It should be there now. Okay, volume control, as you can see.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
So this one will run you about, you can find it on sale for like $180, $200. Sometimes you can get returned ones really cheap that work perfect, like this one. Okay, we're going full volume, baby. Really cool. All right, here we go. Here's the big test. Let's sound link these all. And that's gonna be cool. Look at that, how nicely they just pair up like that. Okay, you see it lit up on all of them. These should all... Okay, testing. Alright, let's try to set this up now. Let's see what we got here. Okay, and that's what you have. Oh, I'm sorry, the price on this guy should be, you could get it on sale for like 130 bucks. I think it normally retails for 150, 170. I could be wrong. This one normally retails for 250, which is kind of outrageous, but pick it up for 180s, good. All right, and now we're gonna test out the star of the show. And I'm pretty sure you can't sound link it. It doesn't have the sound link but it does. It does, but its own type. That they have to have this. At least I think. Let's see what we got going here. Let's see if this will work, guys. Let's just see if they're both gonna play. Nope. All right. So I actually have a case covered that I got off Amazon for this. I don't really feel like taking it off, but it still exposes all the things that we're going to look at today. Has a nice little fold around strap. What I wanted to do is probably, okay, so this has different functionality. Let's turn that off. All these controls right here. Ooh, that wasn't good. I unplugged this thing. Yanked it right out. Okay, we're gonna put this back on the floor. It has some heft to it. So this cool case has little holders for my microphones. Just like that. I do recommend this. It's great for traveling. Okay, what makes this even more of a star of the show, before we get into it, has a removable battery. So as everyone knows, electronics over time, batteries degrade, batteries could swell up, bad things can happen. They start losing their charge capacity over a couple years, depending on your usage. So they sell these batteries. It's $100. That's a lot, but that's a pretty big battery. This thing's supposed to be able to go with no lights on, 50% volume, I think it is, for 18 hours. They claim, JBL claims that. I'm going to use it with like 75 to 100% volume. Light show going the whole time. I don't care. I want to enjoy my purchase. Right here's what a backup battery looks like. You just literally pull that out. I'm not going to do it. It's on. I don't want to mess things up. It works like a champ. You could swap out a battery. Here's the only cons that come with this. The pros, you have an extra battery. The pros also, once this one degrades, you don't have to buy a new speaker. You buy a $100 new battery. Hopefully they go on sale one day, maybe for like 75, 50 bucks would be sweet. Never saw that though. Okay, so I have my backup battery. Carry this around. This is a great case to have. So I have this plugged in, that way we can see its full potential. It still goes, so it goes a smidgen loud, a little tiny bit louder with it plugged in on max volume. All right, so the star of the show. Let's go ahead and get this thing connected. There we are. Okay, let's start this over.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
Not even half volume in it. Got the bass boost. Yeah. Okay, bass boost off. Here we go, all the way, baby. Amazing. Alright, I'm going to show you something really cool now. So what's great, this has certain inputs in the back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So we got mic input 1, mic input 2, but then you could switch this little, boom, that little knob over if you want. It's like a guitar amp right here. This turns this whole thing into a guitar amp. I'm not knowing if you guys could see what I'm showing you. And then that's a gain. Now that gain, I don't believe it's for the microphone, because the microphone controls are up here, and you can control the bass, the treble, the echo, and of course the volume. I noticed I mostly keep the volume on ultra high. So let me show you here. So this is the signature one. It comes with 2 of these. Normally they look black. I told you I have a case in there. Anyways, all you got to do is come back here. You just plug this in. Now watch this. Turn that on. Turn that on. We're golden. Hello. Whoops, we have some echo on that. Let's get rid of that. So look, you can put echo up, up. Let's turn that down. So I have the volume. See, if you put it low, you're not even gonna really hear anything. That's volume all the way down. Let's crank that all the way back. You can also control tracks from this, from your phone. Press it once to play, once to pause. Double tap to change the track. And this is the volume knob. Let's bring the volume down. Well, that's not for the mic, sorry. All right, so if you triple tap, you go back a track. I believe I'm telling you everything accurately. Let's just test that out. Okay, so we got... All right, let's press it twice. Yep, went forward. Let's press it 3 times. Twice. Twice. 3. Yep. Pause. Play. Right here, light show. Let's see if you can see it. Sorry guys. Light show. You could change it by twisting this knob. So I'm trying to show you the ins and outs from what I know. This also has some buttons, which is kind of, I don't want to say silly, but it should have a lot more you could just add, like where you had a little knob to scroll through all the sayings. You could adjust it on your phone a little bit. Okay, that's a little loud. It has like 3 or 4 scratch effects. But you have to change it on your phone, which is stupid. They should, again, have a knob or some more buttons. I guess that's just a fun little thing they wanted to add. This also has pull out. It's a rollie. Just like some luggage. So this is their latest party box, and it's amazing, and it runs off Bluetooth 5.4, which is phenomenal. And this is meant for karaokeing. As you can see, I'm going to show you this microphone. This goes louder than this, but I think this just has a better connection. It's hard to say. I'll show you right here. Okay, so I don't want to get copyright strike, so what we're going to do is go back to what I was playing, that track I created. And of course I can't even find it. There it is. Okay. Let's do a different one. Let's do... This is a chopped and mixed one I made. Alright. So we're testing the mic. See, you can do the mic at the same time. Yeah. Jump out like a robo wilder beast. I dump words out my mouth cause I'm an ill MC. Skilled indeed, I drill the streets. My energy's released when I feel the beats. My lyrics will never perish and my spirit speaks. Listen deep and you can feel the fears of the weak. Can you compare to me if you dare to leave? development of my studies of logic. Check out how my products deliver. Now let me give you the ingredient to my recipe. It's being obedient to destiny. If I'm meant to be a legacy, and let it be. Yeah. All right, now let's test the other mic, which is just some off-brand, whatever that is. Got it from YouTube, like 30 or 40 bucks or something. I actually got it as a review product, but anyways, we won't get into that. Still gotta pay taxes on it, but okay, so I think this one has to be there. You know what? Let me see if that works with the, ooh, I don't like that. Okay, we're gonna come a little further away. Hello. Sorry about that, guys. We got cut off. We're gonna wrap this up though. Good thing we got cut off. This thing actually died too, right as my camera died. Hold on. So I was charging these up just enough so I could show you. I'm gonna plug this guy in. We should have enough juice now. Okay. Turn this on. All right. Well, as you can see, I do think this might go louder. I just don't know about the clarity. The other ones are meant for it, and they just pair up naturally, and they're not going to give you so much feedback when you start getting close. Ooh, we don't want that. Okay, but this one also has some onboard, like you could turn up the echo. Hey guys, turn up the volume. All right. Ooh, we don't want that. Quick sound test with some music, and that'll wrap it up. All right. Okay, guys. Now we got.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
I got this down to a science like a Einstein. I hope I open up your eyelids with every rhyme I write. The world's caught up in sin about to go blah. Let me know what you think about everything so you can actually hook up any mics you want to this. It just has that, it has a 1/4 inch adapter, auxiliary or whatever. There we go. Turn that down a little bit. But this actually works wonderful too, so it's kind of cool to have. All right, guys, thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your favorite JBL speaker that you have or one that you want. And that's it.